When Samsung receives an update, the developers hide from you the fact that they enable settings, which track all your data. That's why when you update your Samsung, you need to check these settings. Open Settings. Go to Google. Click All Services and scroll down to Personalized Shared Data. The developers enable these settings after every update to track all your data here. So disable all options. Next, go again to Settings. And go to Apps. Click the three dots on the right and go to Special Access. Tap Usage Data Access. And here find Google and disable its permission. Cool, right? Drains your phone's battery. So, please go Documents, and then carefully open the Location section. Next, please proceed to Location Services. And here select the Timeline section. Now go into the Timeline section and turn it off. The thing is, developers track your location, even if you have it switched off. All the sensors and mobile network are activated, and this really drains the battery. Tap here and select the first option. After that, tap Got it. At the bottom, this setting will then be disabled. Now go back and be sure to tap Delete Timeline Data to remove the points that have already been saved, and then tap Delete. Confirm all this with your fingerprint. Now all the data that the developers have already collected will be deleted and they won't be able to track your phone's location. Enjoy, and if this Gmail storage full message appears on your phone, I'm going to show you a solution to fix this right now. And to solve this, first, open the Google app. OK. Now click on your profile at the top. Next, click on Manage your Google account. Now on this screen, click on Data and Privacy. See it? Click there. On this screen, scroll down and click on Apps and Services. Saved content from Google Services, click there. If you've reached this part, you're on the right track. Now scroll down and click on Photos. Click that option. Now in this section, click on the three dots at the top and then click Desktop Version. Once you're there, zoom in and click on that cloud icon. It looks like a cloud. Click it. Now you'll see the screen where you click Recover Storage, convert photos and videos, then click Clear No More. OK. You'll see the option Recover Storage, and you check that little box there. See it? Done. Now click on. If someone steals your phone, the first thing they are going to do is turn it on. Then swipe and turn off the Wi-Fi or even put it in airplane mode. And most likely they will try to turn it off completely. So, activate this omission. Go to your phone settings. Swipe to where it says Lock Screen. Tap Secure Lock Settings, enter your PIN. And finally activate this network lock and security function. Now when they try to turn off the Wi-Fi, they won't be able to because the phone will ask for a password. And if they try to turn off the phone, they won't be able to either.